So you're welcome back once again to our page at Sholex Farms. So join us as we successfully deliver some sets of our juvenile catfish to one of our clients around Lekki here in Lagos State, Nigeria. So when you get LD juvenile catfish like this, they would grow faster, helping you reduce time to harvest and also leading to quicker returns on your investment. And also juveniles that are healthy are more resistant to diseases and stress, which leads to fewer losses and better overall stock survival, you understand. And also when you get healthy juvenile catfish like this, it will also help you reduce feed wastage, you understand. When your catfish are healthy, they will be more efficient in converting feed into body mass, which reduces feed cost, which is the largest expense in fish farming. Also, if you are lucky to get healthy juvenile catfish like this, they would reach marketable sizes more uniformly and have better quality, increasing the chances of higher sales on your sales date. Also, when you are lucky to get healthy juvenile catfish like this, they would help you minimize the risk of disease outbreaks, reducing the need for all these unnecessary medications and treatments. The delivery was a success, and these are 1,000 liters plastic fish tanks. If you're a good follower of this page, you will remember that I once shared a video on how we actually installed these tanks on this farm. So this is just a backyard fish farm. The owner of this farm still intend doing this business, in a bigger way, but he just wanted to learn this business with these tanks first before investing huge amount of money into this business. So if we are to maintain a normal stocking density for this pond, we are not to put more than 100 fish at maturity. But when they are still small like this, we can still overstock. So after 2 weeks or after 3 weeks, we will still bring out some sets out of each tank to maintain its normal stocking capacity of 100. So we still have other tanks here on this farm that we can spread them across to. So that will be that for today. So in case you need something like this, you need all the catfish winners like this, you need pond catfish pond like this, you need anything catfish, you can always give us a call, send us a message. We are always available to receive your call and to reply to your messages. Thank you for watching today's video. Remember to share this video. Do enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you. 6 benefits of using the aerator machine in your catfish farming business. Using an aerator machine in catfish farming provides several benefits which most farmers do not know. Number one, it helps improve oxygen levels. It helps improve oxygen levels. Aerator machine can help you increase the amount of dissolved oxygen present in your catfish pond water. And these dissolved oxygen are very, very essential for the health and growth of your catfish. Adequate oxygen helps prevent fish stress and suffocation, especially in densely stocked ponds. Number two, aerator machine help enhance fish growth. With more oxygen present in your catfish pond water, your fish would be able to, feed efficiently, leading to, faster growth and a better feed conversion rate. Number three, having an aerator machine installed in your pond help prevent fish mortality. Low oxygen levels can cause fish mortality in your pond, especially during this hot weather. An aerator machine helps prevent this by maintaining adequate oxygen supply to your catfish pond. Number four, it promises better water quality. Aerator machine helps circulate the water, preventing the build-up of toxic gases like all this ammonia, and also promoting a balanced ecosystem. You know. Then number five, it help reduce disease outbreak. It help reduce disease outbreak. When you have an aerator machine installed in your catfish pond, it will help improve water flow and reduce the accumulation of all these harmful bacteria, lowering the risk of disease outbreak in your catfish pond. And lastly, it promises higher stocking density. When you have the aerator machine installed in your pond with improved oxygen levels and water quality, you can stock more fish in same pond, thereby increasing productivity. So the benefits of aerator machine can never be overemphasized. It gives us several benefits to your catfish, and it can be used for both smaller fish and adult fish. It is not only meant for fingerlings or juveniles. You can also aerate your grow out catfish pond. So that will be that for today. Thank you for watching today's video. Remember to share this video. Do enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.